In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by launching Play Store and installing free app called Files by Google from Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then choose Continue in the pop-up. Click Allow and tap on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then select those three lines at the top left corner and click on Clean at the top. Last but not least, you can finally click Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!